Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to take the user name as input and then print the hello name. So our task is to take the user input, that is a string type, as name and print the string type onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable name and use the input function call to ask a user to enter name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be of a string type and stored in this particular variable. So now let us try to print it. So once we are done taking the input, so let's use a print function. So we have to print hello and with the name. So let's say hello and comma, we have to print a string, that is name. Yeah, so this is just a two-line code to take the user name as input and print hello name. So let me run this. So enter the name. So let's say code with TJ. So this is my name and you can see hello code with TJ, it has printed. So in case the problem statement changes, so you have to use the different greeting, that is instead of printing hello name, so you have to print welcome name. So you just have to modify this. Yeah, so this is how it works. So just modify this, and if the greeting message changes, so let's say I'm running this program now, so let's say code with TJ and let's enter. So you can see welcome code with TJ. Yeah, so let me remodify it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print that is ask a user name and print hello with the name. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had. Thank you for watching. Bye.